What it do, Stealth Mob Bowtie Gang, back with another video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell to stay update with all my videos. Today I will be going to get my shocks put on to the on Stealthie. So that's the mission today. And I'll just keep y'all updated as everything go on. So I'll be back. Peace. Yeah, so I'm in here getting these shocks, getting ready to get put on. You know what I mean? And get ready for the day. I'm gonna take some photos of how they look on the car, and also give y'all some updates on the ride. So I'll get back with y'all, let y'all know what's going on. All right, peace. What it do, mob? Back from the muffler shop. Basically riding around, testing out, you know, trying to get everything to level off. But what I didn't realize, the shocks that I had picked up from Summit, they were like lifted, like it lifted the truck up once they got put on there. So when they lifted up, the coil springs were like loose, like they, you know, I had to probably would have had to get some extended coil springs. But what I was able to do was get like the little caps that go on there that you put up under there when you get in the lifting kit anyway, which that was the route I was going to go in the beginning. But seeing as that once I got these shocks, and I ended up having to put that on there, so everything worked out the way it was. I mean, a little more money than I had planned on spending, but hey, when you into these projects doing whatever you got to do, sometimes you got to kick off that dollar. You know what I'm saying? So it was what it was. So I'm gonna show y'all a little video of everything, how I look up under there and all of that. So I'll get back with y'all in 1 second. Exactly. Like, this is the shots that I picked up from Summit. And when I get up under here, you see that silver thing? That's like a little hockey stick or whatever. They had to go up in the coil springs. They had to go up in the coil springs because these shots was really long. It's everything right there. Of course, I'm gonna undercoat all the rest of this up in here. Which is basically like kind of like surface. Oh damn. Might be able to put my little spare tire back up under there. Yeah, that's the back. That's the rear. In the front. Yeah. Kind of sitting over here real tall with y'all. This truck tall as shit. It should come up to my abdomen. So to give y'all a little broad view of what it looks like. Alright, we'll get another wash. Damn. Kept it in the garage thinking I was gonna bypass all of the other stuff, but it's dirty. Look at it. See, it's dirty. But that's it, gang. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, comment, put your notification bell on, share, and let me know what y'all think. All right, peace. Mob.